Stock investing and option trading. Palantir Stock Jumped. Is it too late? Or do you still have time? How can we profit from Palantir using stock and options? Welcome to World Traveling Millionaire Investor and Option Trader channel. Palantir stock share jumped over 7% in one day. It hit 176.33 day high on August 5th, the day they reported earnings. So that was a big jump. Everyone was thinking, hey, this may not be able to jump so much because it's already up so a lot. But remember, a stock that has the momentum of going uptrend, even after it goes up, it can still go up more. Just look at this. August 7 is now 182.2. Right? Today it jumped 1.40%. So even after hit it all-time high on August 5th, it still went up more. That's the nature of a stock. Sometimes if you see a stock going down, you may think it's a good buy opportunity. But if they lose momentum, it will be very hard, right? It can go down for several days or even a few weeks before it goes back up. So sometimes it may be overbought. Palantir is definitely overbought, and it's also overvalued, but it can still keep going up. That's why lots of people they lose money because this stock has been up, right, 142.32% this year. It cannot go up more. It cannot go up. And lots of people think so, because they fear that it could come crashing down again. But I bought the stock in 2022, 23. I sent out an alert. See, look at this. It was only 13.65. So it's already 13 times since my trade and since my alert. And if you missed that, don't think you miss it, okay? On December, I bought it again, right? From 13.65 to 17.47. Lots of people did not buy because they thought, oh, it's already too much from 13 to 17 within 6 months. I bought it just before New Year, December 28, 2023. I sent out an alert to my Patreon member. Hey, you know what? I added more to my position. So that's why you want to keep adding. Now it's 10 times, more than 10 times, right? From 17.47. So congratulations to anybody who bought Palantir stock. So it's over 1,192% gain in 2 years. In 1.5 years, 99% gain since my trades and since my alert. Of course, I also bought it in November 2020. That was only 15.8, but then it dropped in 2022 and 23. It came back up. So sometimes even though you bought it in 2020, it was 15.8. So even if you spend 4.5 years, only 11 times, sometimes you may face situation like this. You see, after 2020, I bought it. 2020. Look at it right here, 15.8 around that time. The stock jumped. Then after that, it went down in 2022. Then after that, $8 in May 2022, right? May 2022, and it came back up. Right. That's why it's really important. So I jumped in 2023. Lots of people did not want to jump in at the time, right? But stock just kept going up. So that's the nature of compounding, nature of investing in great companies. Now it's already 429 billion market cap. I think it could hit 1 trillion company. It may not hit next year or even 2 years, or it may, but there will be some pullbacks along the way. So why did Palantir stock jump? Because it hit 1 billion revenues for the first time, and they also boost guidance. There are only a few ways the stock jump after the earnings report. The actual result comes out really good, and their guidance better than expected, right? So these are 2 or 3 ways that makes the stock jump after earnings. Revenue grew 48%. They also raised full year guidance. And look at the actual result: 16 cents EPS versus 14 cents. 1 billion revenue the first time. Right? Analysts were thinking it may hit 1 billion by the end of the year. So Palantir beat the time expectation, right? Almost half. So only 2 quarters of the year, they already hit 1 billion. So that's why it just blew away the expectation. The stock jump. Of course, compared to Meta was, I think it was better than Palantir when they beat Meta. But Meta is already very big companies. So Palantir is really growing really well. Look at this, they are trying to decrease headcount. They now have 4,100 employees. They want to have 2,600 only, and they also want to 10 times the revenue. So definitely AI is making people lose jobs. Definitely, right? The company's goal is to maximize revenue and minimize costs. So they want to hire as few people as possible and maximize their revenue with the employees that they have. So that's the point of AI. So make sure you own AI companies. Even if you have a job right now, nobody knows when you are going to lose your job. So Palantir now expect revenue to range between 4.1 billion to 4.15 billion, up from prior guidance of 3.89 billion to 3.9 billion. Full year guidance, they also boosted the revenue, full year guidance. And Palantir forecast revenue between 1.082 billion and 1.087 billion for third quarter. Analysts estimate only 983 million, so it just blows away every forecast guidance. No, you see, jump 68% from revenues. So in a short while, I'm going to tell you how to trade Palantir stock. And of course, it benefited from President Trump's laying off people. They want to maximize the U.S. government performance using AI. And Palantir closed 68 deals and 42 deals totaling at least 10 million. So total value of its contract grew 140% from last year. So initially, people did not want to buy Palantir because they rely so much on government. If government stopped giving them business, that would be horrible. Now they are growing their commercial business as well as the government as well. So that's why they just blew away everything. Very great. Net income rose 144%. Right, so look at this. But just be careful. Palantir is only one of the top 20 companies, the top 20 companies in the US that is overvalued. 276 times PE ratios, and Tesla is the only top 177. So it's overvalued. But could it reach its valuation? Yes, I think so. But it's just way overvalued. There will be some speed bumps along the way. So it even surpassed Salesforce, IBM, Costco to join the top 10 US companies. So how could you profit from this Palantir? Okay, I'm going to tell you what I'm thinking and what I could do. And this is not a financial advice, but hey, you know what? If you decide my strategy is the best, just feel free to copy it. Okay, Palantir is right now 183.45. Okay, one way is to own the share. Just buy the share. Okay, just buy the share. Another way is to buy call option. Click trade Palantir options, and I have a alert sign up 145 call strike price September 18, 2026. That's for my call option. So I could just buy September, right, 2026 for 1 year out. Leave call option, buy call. 145 right now is 66,515. So some people ask me how much it costs. to buy a call option, right? When I bought the call option, it was only 35.73 on June 30th. So it's more than 64% gain in 2.5 months. So that was 58.83. Now, over the past 2 days, right, since Palantir reported earnings, it also jumped as well. So right now it's becoming 65.15. So I use calculator. It's 65.15 divided by how much is again? 35.73. 35.73. That is 82.34% gain. See, it can keep going up. So that's the power of call option. One call option represents 100 shares. So if you don't want to pay $118,000, you could just pay $6,550. If you don't want to put $6,500, don't worry. You can increase your strike price. You think that Palantir is gonna hit $200 next year? Hey, you can just pay $4,000, buy 1 year lead option for that. If you don't want to pay your very short term, you can choose 50-day September. See, 50-day September, only $13, $14, 1,400. Either way, as long as Palantir stock keep going up, whichever you choose, you're gonna make money. Okay, but remember, it's overbought, it's overvalued. September is usually the month that stock goes down. So personally, I will not buy. Okay, if I own a share and let's say I happen to sold call option and it gets called away, it's okay. I'm gonna let it go. Then I'm gonna wait for September to come, and I can buy back shares, or I can use option, call option, or put option. Another way, use advanced option. One of the advanced options is selling put option. Okay, if I don't want to pay first, because buying a call option, you need to pay first. I'd rather receive the money first. So what could I do? I could sell put option, right? Put option, maybe 50-day put option. I could sell at, let's say, $180. So I will get 1,135 in my pocket. If I believe that it could hit over 185, I could sell 185 strike price. That would be, I would get 1,300. Okay, so what does it mean? Selling put option. You are selling insurance to the put option buyer. Put option buyers wants to buy put option because he has shares that he wants to protect downside. So by selling 185, one put option, you are guaranteed that I'm ready to buy 100 shares of Palantir at 185 strike price on or before September 26, 2025. Come anytime, I'm ready. So remember, if you sell put option, just be ready to have 18,500, okay? Because you are ready to buy. If not, don't sell put option. So it will be short. It will be called naked short put option. Okay. So these are the strategies that I use to grow my portfolio. It's over 5,000 within 1 day. It's now 145 right now. So pretty good. So over the past 3 months, 50%, more than 50% portfolio growth. So if you want to learn more, go to Master Stock Option Crypto. You can open an account. There may be some promotion to give you free stock. The links are going to be in the YouTube description and comment down below. If you want to reach out to me, mentorship call, or you want to join my Patreon, the links are going to be in the YouTube video description and comment down below. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.